If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. First one. So to solve this, step number 1, we need to factorize this first. Now to factorize this, so first thing is we look at this side here. Is a plus. So therefore, we just copy this side here. So it's negative. So we write this down. X minus and x minus is equal to 0. And then we ask ourselves a question. What times what give me 9? Add to give me 10. So 9 and 1. Because 9 times 1 equal 9. And 9 add 1 is 10. So 9 and 1. So but doesn't matter where we put 9 and 1 because both are negative. So we just put 9 here, 1 there. Or you can put 1 here and then 9 here. Doesn't really matter because both are negative anyway. So therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 9. I have put a video link on factorizing on the description below for you to practice so you can solve these type of questions. So please do them if you can so you can master in factorizing. And it is important skills to have, okay? Next one. Now to solve this, remember we need to put everything on one side first. Because you solve quadratic equations, you have to make the whole equation equal 0 first. So what I do, I move the 3x on this side. So become minus 3x. So I write x squared minus 20x minus 3x. I move the 24 on that side as well. So it might become negative 24 is equal to 0. Okay. So now to simplify this. So x squared minus 20x minus 3x. So minus 23x. And then minus 24 is equal to 0. So now we factorize this. Now to factorize this, so first of all, we look at this side here is a negative side. So which is difference. Difference means minus, right? Minus means difference. So therefore, we have to write 1 plus and 1 minus. Or 1 minus and 1 plus. Doesn't really matter. As long as they're difference, okay? Because it's minus. So now, we ask ourselves a question. So what times what give me 24? And the difference is 23. So 24 is equal to 24 times 1. So which is 24. And the difference is 23. So therefore the answer is 24 and 1. But because of negative 23, so therefore the bigger number must be negative. So this is 24 there and then 1 there. So therefore x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to 24. This one here. So we have 2x squared minus 4x minus 30. So we know that there is a common factor there, right? And the common factor is 2. So therefore, we divide everything by 2 first. So I divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide by this by 2, divide by this by 2. So every term have to be divided by 2. So 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So become 2x. Minus 30 divided by 2 is minus 15. So equals 0. And then to factorize this, so we know that this is a minus here. So we just have to put 1 plus here and 1 minus. Or 1 minus 1 plus. Okay. So equal to 0. And then we ask ourselves a question. What times what give me 15? And the difference, because minus means difference. And the difference is 2. So 2 numbers times together give me 15. And the difference is 2. So 15 can be 3 and 5, 15 and 1, right? But the difference must be equal to 2. So therefore must be 3 and 5. And because of negative 2, so the bigger number must be on the negative side. So this is 5 here and then 3 here. There you go. So therefore, x is equal to negative 3 or x is equal to 5. This one here. So 2x squared, okay, plus 2x is equal to 24. So first step, we have to put everything on one side first. So I move the 24 on this side, so it becomes negative 24 or minus 24 if you like. So right here, x squared plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Then to factorize this, we look at this side is negative. So therefore, 1 plus and 1 minus. Okay. So x minus equal to 0. So what times what? Give me 24 and the difference is 2. So which is 24, it can be 12 times 2, 6 times 4, 24 times 1, and 3 times 8, right? But the difference must be 2. So therefore, only this one here. So 6 and 4. So therefore, we know that the factor is 6 and 4. And because of positive 2 here, so therefore, the larger number must be on the positive side. So this must be 6 and this must be 4. So therefore, the answer is x is equal to negative 6 or x is equal to 4. Next one. X squared is equal to 12x minus 35. Now to solve this, of course, again, we need to move everything on one side first. So we move these two on this side. So that become x squared minus 12x plus 35 is equal to 0. Then to factorize this, so we see this a positive here, which is add. So we just copy whatever this side here. So in this case, it's negative. So x minus. So that equals 0 here. So now, what time what give me? 35 in here. And then add to give me 12. So what time what give me 35? So two numbers times together give me 35. And add must give me 12. So 35 is equal to 7 times 5. Or 35 times 1 equals 35, right? But we want this one because they both add up, give me 12. So it doesn't matter where you put 7 or 5 because both are negative. So we just put 7 here, 5 here. So therefore, x equals 5 or x is equal to 7. Next one. To solve this, you have to make the whole equation equal 0. Okay? And we need to expand this out first. So this time together, x times x is x squared, right? And then x times 6 is 6x. And then the 27, I move on this side all in one go, okay? So that becomes negative 27. That equals 0. And then we see this negative here. So we just write 1 plus 1 minus. So x plus and x minus is equal to 0. So what time what give me? 27 and the difference is 6. So 27 is 9 times 3. So and the difference is 6. There you go. And then we look at this is positive 6. So the larger number must be on the positive side. So which is plus 9. So this is the 9 here and 3 here. Because 9 minus 3 is 6. That's why. So therefore, x is equal to negative 9 or x is equal to 3. Now please stop the video and try this one yourself.